So this is a new motorcycle. I just bought a week ago. So I am facing a little bit of hard gear shifting, especially in second and third gear. First to second transition is bit hard. So this is the issue. There is no play in the clutch lever. Clutch is like rock hard. So I have done around 100 kilometers on Odo. So let me just adjust it and show you how the play should be. The company recommend a 10 to 20 mm play at lever end. Lever end means this much. Means there should be around 10 to 20 mm free play. This play should be around 10 to 20 mm. It's around 3/4 of an inch. So the clutch should engage properly and disengage properly. If the play is too much, then your clutch will not disengage properly, and if the play is almost zero or too tight, then your clutch would not engage properly. So let me just adjust the play and show you how to do it. A very important point to note while making clutch adjustment is to always do this on cold engine. Never do or adjust your clutch on the hot engine, because on hot engine it won't give you a perfect free play. So always do this on cold engine, never do it on hot engine. So to adjust the play of the clutch, we have to come to the engine side, and this is the place our clutch cable is connected. These two nuts, we have to release these two. This one is the lock nut and this is the adjuster nut. First we have to free the lock nut, then we have to adjust the free play with this nut. You have to rotate this adjuster nut outwards towards you to increase the play, and if you want to decrease the play, then you have to rotate this adjuster nut towards the engine or inwards. So this lock nut is around 14 mm in size. We don't have any spanner for these two nuts in our toolkit. That's a very shitty toolkit that Hero has provided with Xpulse 200. So I don't have a size 14 spanner with me, so I just use this adjustable spanner to open this to free this lock nut. And this adjuster nut is 12 mm in size. So I've just freed this lock nut with the help of my adjustable spanner. You just have to rotate this nut inwards towards the engine to free it. Just bring it down a little bit, and now to increase the free play, I have to rotate this lock nut, this adjuster nut towards me. I just need a 12 mm spanner for this, so I'll just do this a little bit, few rotations towards me, and let me just check the amount of play that we have got now. So it's still a little bit tight, so I just give it a few more rotations. So now we have got perfect. Now we have got this much of free play. It's around half an inch. I'll just make it a little bit more by adjusting this, just rotating this nut towards me and just pushing the cable like this, and let me just see. Now the free play is perfect. Now the clutch would engage properly and disengage properly. So the final step is you just hold this adjuster nut with the spanner and tighten this lock nut. Make sure you hold this nut while tightening this one, otherwise this adjustment would be affected. So I'm just gonna pause the video and I'm gonna use both of my hands to tighten the lock nut. So now I have adjusted the free play of my clutch, and I have tightened the lock nut while holding this adjuster nut with a 12 mm spanner, and I tightened this using adjustable spanner. The size is probably 14 mm, but there is no spanner available in our toolkit, either for this one or either for this one. So Hero should make a note of this one, and these spanners should be present in a OEM toolkit. These are very important to do. So this is a very basic adjustment. This is very simple one. We only have adjustment scope at the engine end of the Xpulse 200. Some motorcycles. So this is how the free play looks now. after I have made the adjustment, and clutch has become a lot softer than before. So we have made the adjustment at the engine end. As on this motorcycle there is no adjustments, barrel adjuster or any kind of nut over here on the lever end. Some motorcycles do have a barrel adjuster or a nut here to adjust the free play, but that is only used for fine tuning. The important or the major adjustment is always done at the engine end. So this is how we adjust the free play of Hero Xpulse 200. So guys, I have tested the motorcycle after adjusting the free play of my clutch. So now the clutch feels lot softer than before, and gear shifting is now smooth. The hard shift which I was facing in first to second gear and second to third, and also the noise in first to second gear has completely gone quiet, and now the shifting has become softer now, and also the lever feel is a lot softer than before. So earlier what was happening, when I was releasing the clutch, the motorcycle was started moving only when I was reaching the end of the movement of the lever. But now after adjusting the play, when I am leaving the lever like this much, like half the way, the motorcycle started moving. This means now that the engagement and disengagement of the clutch is proper. So the issue of hard gear shifting is gone apparently for now, and this is how it should be. The recommended play by Hero itself is 10 to 20 mm. And there is a very important thing, guys, which you have to note. Always make clutch adjustment on a cold engine. Never make this adjustment on a hot engine until unless there is an emergency. So always make this clutch adjustment on cold engine. So let me show you the odo also. My odo reads 106 kilometers. I bought this motorcycle on 8th of July, and today is 18th of July, so the motorcycle is 10 days old. And so this is how it is done. If you need this video in Hindi, then do let me know in comments. I will translate it in Hindi.